What is a Tippani survey? Why so much important for customers buying a property?
Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. What is the Tippani Survey? A Tippani Survey is an official land measurements and boundary verification survey carried out as per government land records. Tippani refer to the measurement notes and field sketches prepared during the survey, showing exact land dimensions, boundary lines, adjoining survey numbers, physical features on the ground in the simple works. A Tippani survey confirms what a written in government records and what actually existing on the ground. Why Tippani survey? Tippani survey important for customer buying the property. When a customer buy a land or site or apartment or villa, their biggest risk are boundary dispute, encroachments, wrong land extent, mismatch between documents and site reality. A Tippani survey helps avoid all these risks. 1. Confirm exact property boundaries. For buyers, it ensures the land they are paying for this exact the same size and shared boundary match government survey records. Without Tippani, buyer may lose land later due to dispute. Second point, prevents future legal disputes. Tippani survey identify boundary overlap or encroachment, acts as a strong legal evidence if disputes arise. Court and revenue department accept Tippani records. Verify title and documents before buying. Tippani is used to cross-check sale deed boundaries, survey number details, RTC, sketch and mutation entries. In this project, buyer from fake layout, wrong survey number, partially encroached plot, requirement for development and approval for buyer planning, construction, layout approval, conversion or subdivision. Tippani survey helps mark precise plot corners, obtain approvals without objections. Peace of mind for the buyer after Tippani survey. Boundaries are marked on ground. Buyer know what they legally own. Reduce risk of neighbors' claims in future. How SCON Design India Private Limited helps in Tippani survey. SCON Design India Private Limited does not replace government Tippani survey, but adds high accurate, clarify and modern documentation. Our role is to support, verify and enhance to Tippani process. First point, pre-Tippani technical support. We help customers by studying existing land documents like RTC, old sketches, Tippani records, identifying discrepancies before official survey, preparing technical based drawing. This makes the government Tippani process smooth and faster. High accurate site survey and boundary mapping. SCON Design India Private Limited uses 3D laser scanning, total station surveys, point cloud technology. This ensures exact ground reality is captured. Boundaries are measured with very high precision. No confusion about edges, angles or overlaps. Tippani verification and cross-checking. We compare Tippani measurements with modern survey data. Highlight any mismatch between revenue records, ground condition, existing constructions. This protects buyer from hidden issues. As-built drawings and documentation for customers. After Tippani and survey, we provide digital CAD drawing, accurate as as-built plans, clear boundary sketches useful for legal cases, banks, architects, builders. Unlike hand sketches, our inputs are future ready and reusable. Support during the disputes or development. SCON Design India Private Limited helps owners, developers, layout planners with technical support, boundary clarification drawings, survey evidence based on Tippani plus modern data.
Please like, share, subscribe.